So here we go.
Let's try to do the whole routine. Remember, the routine was slow, slow, choo, 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 da, da, slow, slow, choo, 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 da, da, da.
Here we go. All right.
Don't disconnect this. 1, 5. This is first, yes? Then this. 1, 5. 1, 5. 1, 5. 1, 5. 1, 5. 1, 5. 1, 5.
Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 5. Now, ladies, the right hand is up. Fellas, with your palm up, you're going to catch her right above the elbow. Okay? Let me show them this way. Okay? When her hand's coming down, catch it right here. Bam! And ladies, never lock tight the elbow. Always have a little bend. It doesn't look too pretty if it's too straight. always bend it. Yes. So it has a nice look and feel. So from up there, sure. Okay? Now, when you have it here, are you with me? There. You're going to lead her right arm behind your neck, and she's going to go forward. So she steps forward with the right foot on. 1. Follow with the left hand. 2, 3, and wrap her up. Right hand. Okay. Okay. Let's do this here. Part 2. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8.